Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, don't challenge the Rivers State Governor Sim Fubara to appear before the press and list wetin he don achieve since he sit down for the office of the Governor of Rivers State. Wike wey be the immediate past governor of Rivers State talk this one for one special Thanksgiving organized by the minority leader of the House of Representatives, Kingsley Chida, wey shele for Port Harcourt. Wike come talk say im dey proud say im put Rivers State for the map of Naija where everybody dey see im work for the state, and say im serve and commission ogbonge projects before he comot for the office as the governor of the state. The former governor come here and say most projects wey im leave behind be don dey line up for commissioning for Fubara administration.
If you know you have what it takes, appear before the press, talk with the press, live coverage, let them ask you questions, and you talk. Let's see. I talk with the press every day. I say, ask me a question. The hospital at the Garrison Junction, I completed it, I furnished it, and I said, look, let this thing be part of your 100 days in office. Go and commission them. The Uniport Convocation Arena, which I gave to somebody who said he would also have master and boy, I paid 98%. I said, make sure you commission it 100 days in office. So MV came. They said, oh, don't commission. He said, well, you will be taking the credit. What's my business? If you commission, you don't commission, what's my business? The record is there. The road from Sabiwa to Duala Sabiwa to Kono, I started it, I finished it. The entire roads in Emeka. I hear somebody there now says, hey, don't worry, God will pay everybody back. The internal roads in Emeka and the school GSS, I did it. In both government comprehensive, in Port Harcourt, where CJ went to school, I did it. All the roads in Borokiri, I did it. And I named one to one of these people. From here to here. From here to here. I did internal roads in the LLA and the LLA Canal. In Ebeda, I awarded the first internal roads to MCC. From Iguta to Chokoto, I did it. The whole road of Otufo, I did it. The road in Afara, I did it. What is everybody talking about? Look at this one. This one we are reading now. All the you are seeing, I am standing here without any document to show you what we did. Leave these political harlots. Leave these political challenges. I will continue to defeat them. It is not what you know, you know. If you didn't dare, you didn't dare. They cannot serve master and boy. But they are waiting on the road now to serve boy. No really query man says that and goes back. No really query man will tell you you will vomit and take back. That cannot be an equerry man. And that cannot be a reverse person. Chinda has told you, do not bother yourself. In equerry tradition, when you start beating the drum of wrestling, it is not that time the real wrestlers will come out. Do you understand me? The real wrestlers will come in later, towards the end. That's when you see the real wrestlers. All these people who cannot stand ordinary hunger, whom God has given them something, yet they cannot manage what God gave them. I pity the boys, young boys who were shouting before. Now these same people have gone to take their positions. They can never stay one place.
Wike constitute Chukma put for general elections wey dem do for 2023 and come also chook mouth on top how im take challenge im party wey be PDP to do the right thing. If not, dem go fight injustice, and that na why im make sure say power go back to the south.
So many people find excuses to do whatever they want to do. I am proud to come from Obiabo. Those of us who are really from Obiabo, I know there's so many people who are not from Obiabo who claim they are from Obiabo. By our characters, we know them. You have seen the speaker, Martin Amehule. You have seen the character of real Obiabo person. You have seen King Slogan Duchinda. That is the true character of Obiabo person. You have known me, you have seen me. I came out in this country and I challenged my party. Except you do the right thing, we will fight injustice. That is the character of a real Obiabo person. And that also translates as a real Rivers people. It came on me. Pressure came at the time we wanted who would succeed me. Pressure came. One of the very best I would have presented would have been Oke Chinda. One of the very best. Forget those fake Ikore people who were running around saying that they want to be governor. They cannot serve master and boy, but they are waiting on the road now to serve boy. No really Ikore man says that and goes back. No really Ikore man will tell you you will vomit and take back. That cannot be an Ikore man. And that cannot be a real Rivers person. Chinda has told you, do not bother yourself. In the Ikore tradition, when you start beating the drum of wrestling, it is not that time the real wrestlers will come out. Do you understand me? The real wrestlers will come in later, towards the end. That's when you see the real wrestlers. Leave all these people who cannot stand ordinary hunger, whom God has given them something, yet they cannot manage what God gave them. I pity the boys, young boys who were shouting before. Now these same people have gone to take their positions. They can never stay one place. When I wanted to become governor, 2014, 2015, the same people fought me. There's nothing they didn't do to get the ticket. They couldn't get it. And they had no choice, because they know that my predecessor is going now, so they couldn't go back to him. They have no choice but to come to me. In 2023, just because they couldn't get the ticket, they swore over their dead body. They went and supported another presidential candidate. I said, for me, and that's how the music, Yendeba, Yendeba, that's how it came. You have taken, allow these people to take. I said, I will stand and I will fight for a Southerner to be president. All of them, they said this man, he will die today. This man, he will die tomorrow. In fact, we are not sure he will stand for the election. By the grace of God, we won. We didn't only win, we shocked Nigeria. The way politics is supposed to be played. We told PDP, since you don't want to obey the rules, the constitution of our party, all our National Assembly members, all our state assembly, you will get the seat. But this presidency, we have agreed it will go to the south. And that was what happened. Isn't it? Don't forget people going from one place to the other. They are forming this. They are allowed. Don't dissipate your energy. Don't worry yourself. The time will come. We will say, who knows the game? You play the game. So let nobody worry yourself to say this. I want to thank the members of State Assembly who have shown character, who have seen that, look, money is good, but money is not everything in life. And who have said they would, don't bother with all attempts. I hear they have a judicial consultant now who said they should not worry. As far as she's there, nothing will happen. That is their business. As far as God is the one that put you there, the same God will protect you. Amen. And I say it, let anybody come out and challenge me. As governor of Rivers State, I took this state to the level that Nigeria must recognize Rivers State. I say it with all amount of happiness. I built 12 flyovers in 4 years. From 2019 to 2023. I don't want to talk about roads. I built the cancer center on record time by the best construction company, Julius Berger, and I named it after one man. I built Judicial Institute, and I named it after one woman. Look at the judicial and look at the House of Assembly residence. Who has it in this country? Nobody. Look at the magistrate complex. I don't want to talk about roads. Look at the law school, the first and the best in this country. Took road to Popo. And that was how the Honorable for Popo gave me the key that I should lock or open it anytime I want. And that key is still with me.
Make no not forget, say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.